There are better ways to keep cool. Call KS Services and receive a new Bryant unit with no payments and no interest for 18 months. Stay cool now and pay later. Visit callks.com for more.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition. This is for Friday, September the 18th. I'm James Spann. Most of Alabama looking dry for a while, and a new tropical depression is formed in the southwestern Gulf of Mexico as the hurricane season rolls along. Here's the upper air look across the country early this morning. Got a broad northwest flow aloft for areas north of here. And, of course, the system in the western Gulf is what we'll talk about in just a bit. You can see that clearly. But radar quiet this morning. That was the composite at 448. Most of the state dry today. Feels pretty good this morning. Got 60s in most locations. Cool spots are Haleyville and Aniana at 62. We'll see 50s in here by Sunday morning and early next week for many places. Freeze warnings in effect for scattered pockets around the Great Lakes in the northeast United States. That's a sign of the times. Got red flag warnings for some of the western states because of the wildfire danger there. Here's the severe weather outlook today and tonight. No organized severe weather expected. This is tomorrow and this is Sunday, so no severe thunderstorm worries for a while. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. A pretty good chunk of the country dry. The big blob down there in the western Gulf, that's in association with the tropical system. And for Alabama, the WPC forecasters bring in a little bit of light rain toward the end of next week. Maybe some part of that could be drifting in here. We'll talk about that as we go in modeling. So here's the big tropical picture. We've got Teddy, first off. That's a major hurricane out there in the middle of the Atlantic. We've got Invest 98 in the eastern Atlantic, a new wave coming off the coast of Africa, and Tropical Depression number 22. So there's Teddy, and you can see it's well northeast of the Leeward Islands. Currently, the sustained winds are 130 miles per hour. And this thing will be coming up toward Bermuda Sunday night, weakening a little bit down to a Category 2, and then it moves north toward the Canadian Maritimes by Tuesday night of next week. And most likely this stays east of the United States. Now, Invest 98L in the eastern Atlantic. This will be gaining latitude, and most likely that recurves if it develops at all. There's the latest intensity guidance, and if anything pops out there as a tropical storm, it looks like it will start to weaken in about 84 hours. But our focus will be on Tropical Depression number 22. Top winds 35 miles an hour, moving north-northeast at 6. And here's the official track from the Hurricane Center, and you can see they bring it north-northeast, then bend it west, becomes a minimal hurricane Sunday night, and right before it comes into Texas, it begins to turn north-northeast again. So it's going to be a meandering storm. We'll look at modeling. This is the tropical model set. Now, some of the models do bring it into Texas, but the steering currents collapse out there about the time it's just off the Texas Gulf Coast, which brings great uncertainty into this. This is the GFS ensemble. And again, you can see it's just almost doing the loop-de-loo out there off the southern Texas coast. And this is the European ensemble. Just a big old bowl of spaghetti mess in the western Gulf. Some of the members try and bring it northeast up toward Louisiana, including the operational OZ. But again, nobody knows the ultimate destination at this point. Hopefully we'll get better clarity over the weekend. This is the intensity guidance. This becomes Tropical Storm Wilfred, maybe reaching hurricane strength in about 60 hours, and then the intensity levels off. So let's look at the GFS, the 06E run, 4 o'clock today. Big trough over the northeast. That's some very cool air. New trough coming into the northwest, but around here it's a dry day. The sky partially sunny. Highs probably mid-80s. That's right at seasonal levels for mid-September. Tomorrow, as the weekend begins, the sky mostly sunny. Cooler air drops in from the northeast. The high will drop into the mid to upper 70s, a mix of sun and clouds. And, of course, you can see the tropical system in the western Gulf. Sunday, the tropical system moves to the west toward Texas. We're dry. Sunday should be a beautiful day. We'll start the day 57 to 60. The high Sunday will be in the upper 70s, just delightful. Low humidity. Monday, the GFS has that tropical system near Brownsville, Texas, or South Padre Island. And again, we're dry. We start the day in the 70s. In the 50s. The high should be in the upper 70s. Tuesday, and again, gorgeous weather here. Wilfred just hanging around off the lower Texas coast. Wednesday, we're still dry. Just great weather next week. Lows well down in the 50s. We could see some upper 40s for the cooler pockets here for the first time this season. High should be upper 70s to near 80. And again, Wilfred hanging around Corpus Christi. We're still dry Thursday, and this is a week from today, Friday the 25th. Got a ridge pumping up toward the Great Lakes. And again, gorgeous weather. So if the GFS verifies here, no rain for the next 7 days. We will check the European, and it brings in a slug of moisture toward the end of next week. And what it tries to do is bring Wilfred up toward Louisiana, and some of the moisture comes in here. But obviously, there's great model madness and great uncertainty in that thing. We'll just have to watch it. We'll go out 10 days. This is Sunday the 27th. Nice trough across the central United States and rain just west of here, if this verifies. But this is 10 days out, and we all know this will probably change. Rain for Birmingham off the European ensemble. Really nothing for about the next week, and then you can see a little bit in about 10 to 15 days. The mean only about 1 inch. And yeah, buddy, I like those numbers. Look at the highs in the mid-70s and lows well down in the 50s next week. And this is for Birmingham. Some of the colder pockets away from the city easily could see upper 40s by Tuesday and Wednesday morning, then back in the low 80s toward the end of next week. And the Cpc Outlook, this is September 5th through October 1st, showing temperatures here maybe a little below average. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3 o'clock this afternoon. You can catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Never wait for hot water again with a tankless water heater from Plumbing Experts. Tankless water heaters are easy, convenient, and now more affordable with a no-interest financing for up to 18 months. Stop with the cold showers and wasted water and call Plumbing Experts today.